Hey there, beach lovers and luxury seekers. Today, we're diving into the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean to explore a true gem of the Riviera Maya. The Wyndham Alltra Playa Del Carmen Adults Only All-Inclusive. This stunning 4-star resort is nestled right on the beachfront, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement for those looking to escape the daily grind and indulge in some well-deserved pampering. Let's start by talking about the accommodations that await you at this tropical paradise. The Wyndham Alltra boasts 287 non-smoking rooms and suites, each designed with your comfort in mind. Picture yourself waking up to the sound of gentle waves, stepping out onto your private balcony or terrace, and taking in breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea or lush garden landscapes. These rooms are more than just a place to rest your head. They're your personal oasis of tranquility. Every room comes fully equipped with modern amenities to make your stay as comfortable as possible. You'll find a fully stocked minibar, because who doesn't love a midnight snack, complimentary bath product for those long, relaxing soaks, and free Wi-Fi to keep you connected, or not, if you're really trying to unplug. The air conditioning ensures you stay cool even when the tropical heat is cranked up outside. While the exact sizes of the rooms aren't listed, you can bet they're spacious enough for 2 adults to spread out and truly unwind. The decor is a perfect reflection of the resort's tropical setting, with neutral tones accented by pops of bright colors that'll make you feel like you're living in a stylish beach house. Flat-screen TVs, work areas for those who can't entirely escape the office, and private bathrooms with showers and hairdryers round out the amenities. And let's not forget the best part. Everything is designed for adults only, so you can enjoy a peaceful, child-free environment throughout your stay. Now let's talk about something that's always on everyone's mind when it comes to all-inclusive resorts: the food and drinks. The Wyndham Alltra doesn't disappoint in this department. With multiple restaurants and bars on site, your taste buds are in for a treat. The resort offers unlimited gourmet dining as part of its all-inclusive package, so you can eat to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. The restaurants serve up a variety of cuisines, including American and Italian dishes, alongside other international flavors. But the real star of the show? The fresh seafood specialties that are creatively prepared to showcase the best of local and international culinary traditions. Imagine sinking your teeth into a perfectly grilled fish while watching the sunset over the Caribbean. That's the kind of dining experience you can expect here. And let's not forget about the bars. Whether you're a fan of craft cocktails or prefer to keep it simple with a cold beer, the resort's bars have got you covered. From sunrise mimosas to late-night nightcaps, there's always a spot to quench your thirst. While there's no formal dress code mentioned, it's always a good idea to pack some casual, elegant attire for dinner. Just in case you want to fancy it up a bit. One of the best parts about the dining here is the flexibility. Many venues operate on a walk-in basis, perfect for those spontaneous meal decisions. However, for peak times or special themed nights, which happen regularly as part of the entertainment program, you might want to check with the concierge about reservations. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these culinary experiences. Now let's dive into what many consider the heart of any beach resort: the pools and beaches. The Wyndham Alltra doesn't disappoint in this department, offering multiple pools that cater to different vibes. The star of the show is undoubtedly the oceanfront main pool, where you can float lazily while gazing out at the endless blue of the Caribbean Sea. It's like being in a postcard, but better, because you're actually there. But that's not all. The resort also features relaxation pools for when you want to escape the lively atmosphere of the main area. And for those who like their water with a side of bubbles, there are hot tubs and spa tubs scattered throughout the property. The best part? You don't even have to leave your lounge chair to get a drink, thanks to the attentive waiter service by the pool. While the exact sizes and depths of the pools aren't specified, let's be honest, who's measuring when they're on vacation? You can bet they're spacious enough to accommodate the resort's guests comfortably. The pools are typically open during daylight hours, perfect for those who like to start their day with a refreshing dip or end it with a sunset swim. But let's not forget the real star of the show, the beach. The Wyndham Alltra boasts a stretch of white sandy beach that's directly accessible from the property. We're talking several hundred meters of pristine coastline along the Caribbean. The beach comes fully equipped with lounge chairs and umbrellas, all included in your all-inclusive package. So whether you're a sun worshiper or prefer to relax in the shade with a good book, you're covered literally. While details about water sports weren't explicitly mentioned, it's worth asking at the front desk about rentals or excursions. After all, with that beautiful Caribbean water right there, who wouldn't want to try some snorkeling, kayaking, or even a diving tour? When it comes to activities and recreation, the Wyndham Alltra has got you covered from sunrise to sunset. For the fitness enthusiasts, there's a state-of-the-art gym equipped with everything you need for cardio workouts and strength training. But let's be real, who wants to be cooped up inside when you're in paradise? That's why the resort offers daily beachside yoga classes and aqua aerobic sessions. There's something magical about doing downward dog with the sound of waves in the background or working on your core while floating in crystal clear water. But the activities don't stop there. The resort prides itself on offering a range of daily activities to keep you entertained. While specifics weren't listed, you can expect the usual suspects of beach volleyball, cooking classes, and maybe even some dance lessons, salsa anyone? And let's not forget about the nightly entertainment. After dinner, you can look forward to live music performances and themed parties. It's like having a festival right at your doorstep, minus the muddy fields and overpriced food trucks. For those looking to truly unwind, the full-service spa is your go-to destination. While the exact menu of treatments isn't detailed, you can bet on finding all the classics: massages, facials, body wraps, you name it. There are even signature treatments that probably incorporate local ingredients. Coconut oil massage, anyone? The spa facilities likely include sauna and steam rooms, perfect for detoxing after a night of indulging in all those unlimited cocktails. And speaking of wellness, the resort offers more than just traditional spa treatments. You can start your day with a beachfront yoga session, feeling the sand between your toes as you salute the sun. Or maybe you prefer to get your heart pumping with some aqua aerobics in one of the pools. Whatever your wellness style, the Wyndham Alltra has got you covered. Now let's talk about what's outside the resort, because as amazing as it is, you might want to explore a bit. The Wyndham Alltra is perfectly situated for those who want to experience the best of Playa del Carmen. Just steps away from the resort is the famous Fifth Avenue, a pedestrian street lined with shops, restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. It's the perfect place to pick up some souvenirs, try some local cuisine, or dance the night away. If you're up for some adventure, Eckerett Park is just about 15 kilometers away. This eco-archaeological theme park offers a unique blend of nature and culture, with everything from underground rivers to Mayan ruins. For the more adventurous types, Explore Adventure Park is about 18 kilometers from the resort, offering zip lines and cave swimming experiences that'll get your adrenaline pumping. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.